Matt Sherratt has left his role as Cardiff Rugby head coach just days before the start of the United Rugby Championship season to take up a full-time position as Wales' attack coach under new head coach Steve Tandy. Sherratt's move, widely anticipated, comes after he successfully led Wales on an interim basis earlier on this year, overseeing 5 test matches during the Six Nations and the summer tour to Japan, where the team ended an 18-test losing streak with a win over the Brave Blossom in Kobe. The timing of Sherratt's departure is challenging for Cardiff, who now face the URC opener against the Lions with their remaining coaching staff. Cornel Van Zyl, Gethith Jenkins, Johnny Goodridge and Scott Andrews taking interim charge. A short-term plan is expected immediately, alongside a review to process and implement a long-term strategy. Interim Managing Director Jamie Muir praised Sherratt's contributions and expressed confidence in the current coaching team to lead Cardiff into the new season positively. Sherratt said leaving Cardiff was a difficult decision, noting the progress made in establishing a playing style that resonates with the club's history and identity. Sherratt's coaching career spans roles with Worcester Warriors' Academy, Bristol, Cardiff and Ospreys, and he previously worked with Wales in 2016 and 2017. He took over at Cardiff in 2023, navigating a pre-season friendly with just 8 players amid broader financial challenges, before leading the team to notable performances, including narrowly missing a playoff spot last season. His wealth of experience and prior work with Wales make him a natural fit for Tandy's coaching setup, where he reunites with former Cardiff coach Danny Wilson. For Cardiff, the focus now turns to adapting quickly under interim leadership, while Sherratt embarks on a new chapter at the international level. His departure signals both opportunity for Wales and a fresh challenge for the Arms Park as the URC season gets underway.